Imagine this. You're halfway across the world, exploring bustling markets or ancient ruins, and suddenly, you realize you're a bit short on cash. You check your YouTrip card, and it's looking a little depleted. Your friend, back home, offers to send you some money. Great. But then you wonder, can they actually transfer money directly to your YouTrip account? It's a common scenario, and one that highlights the need for quick and easy access to your funds when you're traveling. YouTrip has revolutionized the way many of us manage our spending abroad, offering competitive exchange rates and a seamless experience. But the specific mechanics of how money gets into your account, especially from someone else, can sometimes be a bit of a mystery. Is it like a regular bank transfer? Can they use PayNow or some other local payment system? These are the questions that pop up when you're in a pinch, and understanding the answer is crucial for stress-free travel. So, let's get straight to it. No, someone cannot directly transfer money to your YouTrip account in the same way they would to a traditional bank account. YouTrip accounts are designed to be linked to your personal bank account or a debit/credit card for top-ups. They function as a digital wallet for multi-currency spending, not as a standard bank account that can receive direct inbound transfers from third parties. Think of it this way. Your YouTrip account is a specialized travel companion for your money, not a general-purpose deposit account. This means your friend or family member back home can't initiate a bank transfer from their account directly to your YouTrip account using your YouTrip card number or any other YouTrip-specific details. There's no unique SWIFT code, IBAN, or account number associated with your YouTrip account for receiving external bank transfers. So, what are your options if someone needs to send you money while you're traveling and you want to use it with your YouTrip card? The most straightforward method is for them to transfer the money to your personal bank account first. Once the funds are in your linked bank account, you can then easily top up your YouTrip account yourself using the YouTrip app. This is the intended and most secure way to get money into your YouTrip wallet. Most people link their YouTrip account to their primary bank account anyway, making this a familiar and easy process. Alternatively, if a direct bank transfer isn't feasible, they could consider using international money transfer services. Services like Wise, formerly TransferWise, Revolut, or Remitly allow people to send money cross-border, and you can then receive it in your personal bank account. Once the funds land in your bank account, you're back to step 1, top up your YouTrip account via the app. This adds an extra step, but it's a viable solution if your sender isn't able to transfer directly to your local bank account. Another less common, but still possible, option is for your friend to send you money via a peer-to-peer payment app if both of you use the same service and it operates internationally. However, similar to the above, these funds would likely land in your linked bank account or the app's wallet first, requiring you to then manually top up your YouTrip card. In essence, while direct third-party transfers to YouTrip aren't possible, there are always reliable workarounds that ensure you can get the funds you need to keep your adventures going. The key is to route the money through your traditional bank account first, then simply top up your YouTrip account as you normally would. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.